everyone, it's Elaine with Simply Blessed Vlogs. I hope everyone's having an amazing day. I wanted to make a quick video that I'm going to be uploading on Etsy as well as my website. So I figure I put it on YouTube as well, being that the video that I have up is kind of old and things have changed. So I'm not going to get into every single thing that I have in here and why I use it or how I use it or what I've made with it. If you are interested in that, let me know and I'll make a tutorial. So I'm just going to go by them. Some of you guys will probably recognize some of the stuff I have in the room. So these are all my flowers and little, things that I put on onesies and outfits that I make and I sell online. All this here, oh my god, is holiday ribbons. I'm obsessed with ribbon. This is all ribbons here. So I kind of I don't make bows often. If I sell a tutu or if I'm gonna go to a craft show, then I'll make a bunch of bows. But other than that, that's it. It's ribbon. Over here is all of my headbands, elastic headbands, crochet bands that I use for tutus and for tutu dresses. So I have all colors, all sizes, and everything else. Okay, so this is the table that I use to take all my pictures on to post them online. So you guys will probably see this background a lot. And those are some of the barefoot sandals that I made. I actually want to do a tutorial on how to make these, but right now I just use these like for photo props. And this is a cake smash outfit I have to start work self. So the lighting is not great on this. I don't know if you can see, but yes, I made myself a hat and a rose simply because I love the rose with the little YouTube button. And I used the rose gold glitter on here, so not glitter, vinyl. I think it's pretty cute. I have a picture of it on my Instagram page. This is my YouTube Instagram page, but I have it on my GIGI Too Cute Instagram page. So some of you guys will know the cuddle bug. These are all my shabby flowers, which I have more shabby flowers I use for everything. Hair bows, barefoot sandals, headbands, everything. This is one of the shirts that I've actually made. I make stuff and then I post it. Actually, I never even post it. I should post that. My baby. Okay, this is the Cricut pad. This is where I keep some of my files, receipts and everything. Ribbon, embellishment for shoes. These are samples that I use when people order. So this is the one that I have so they can actually get an idea. So these are all the samples of vinyl, different vinyls that I use. So if customers ask me for certain colors, then I can refer back to this. And that way they know what they're, ordering. So these are just little things that have been given to me by my mom, my kids, my son-in-law. So I also do scrapbooking, scrapbooks for myself. So there I have a whole bunch of headbands. Obviously a mat, pad, Cricut, the famous Cricut, right? Printer, and this is a cart that I use, which I love. These are my cards I use to put my hair bows on. So I also did a Halloween one because I do sell a lot of hair bows for Halloween. And I have a girl who actually designed this for me. She's on Etsy. And I told her I wanted a hair bow card, and I wanted it to be with my favorite Halloween movie, which, as you see, is Hocus Pocus. And she did an awesome job. Look at that. I love it, and I got a whole bunch. So, and I just got those last year. But this card, I keep some of my hole punches, and I have tons of hole punches, but these are just ones that I use regularly. And this is ribbon and more ribbon. I'm telling you guys, that's some of the stuff that I have that I put online, and I just need to pack and put away. This is stuff that I'm actually going to be mailing out, so tomorrow. Hat press. This is a little bin that I use when I'm packing stuff to ship out. It's easy. My daughter gave me this for Mother's Day with a bunch of goodies in it, but so I love it, so I just use it, put it on the table when I gotta pack. My cutter, I got some more vinyl. I'm gonna do a tutorial on this vinyl tomorrow. And this is an iron because I don't use my house iron up here. I have an iron just for the craft room. So, and I love this thing. See that? Charges right on there. What else do I have? That's a little iron I have. This thing, guys, comes in handy when you have to get into small places and you can't use the heat press. Okay, and that's a hat press. I keep this one here plugged in because I can use, the cord doesn't fit up there. But ribbon. These are some aprons that I started working on, but I still got to do the bottoms. I'm not sure what I'm going to put on the bottoms, but I have to put something. This most likely is going to go to my daughter, because when I got the aprons, I noticed that it had a little, see, a stain. And I tried to get it off with a baby wipe, and there's no way it's not coming off. So I can't sell it. But my daughter would be more than happy to keep the apron. So this is my sewing machine here. It's actually not my sewing machine. It's actually my daughter's sewing machine. Tatiana, she doesn't guess really use it anymore because it's been up here. So I don't use it often. I use it if I do like the ribbon trim tutus. So this is what I use, and it's not that fast, guys. Alrighty, so here I have all my little embellishments that I put on shoes and stuff, spikes. My daughter puts everything in here, so I'm not really sure, but yeah, that's what all that is. And this is all for hair bows. I don't even know half of the things in here. These are yeah, cutouts. I don't know, but yeah, they all got something in it. I just don't know what. Oh, and these are, where are these little things at? I wanted to show you guys, but I don't know where she put. Oh, right here. I see them. I see you, buddy. Right here. Aren't these pretty? I just got these. I got a whole bunch. So I'm going to use them for hair, the hair bows. Headbands, actually, with the matching barefoot sandals. So look out for a tutorial on that. But these are cute. Okay. So enough of that. And this is my heat press, obviously. And I just had lunch, so don't mind that container. Normally I have all my shipping bags there, but I am waiting for more. I have no bags. The only bags that I do have left is these bags, and these I use for the adult shipping bag. They're adult shipping bags for t-shirts and whatever else. What else do I have here? Those are bags I use for pickups, and these are the bags that I use for shipping my tutus. So These are all t-shirts, so they go for sweatpants and sweaters. All black tees for kids here. All these are onesies. These are more black tees. These are the little nightgowns I have for babies with the caps. A few hair bows that I've a few bows for boys that I've made. What else do I have? Let's see. All right, so down there I have like glitter and stuff, and cricket stuff, and all kinds of stuff. These are a few men t-shirts that I have, girl t-shirts. These pink things in the back, those are baby sets. The little sleeper pants and sweaters like coming home from the hospital, pillowcase, and more t-shirts. Okay, up here these are just bloomers that I use as for the photo props. These are all bloomers, so I keep them in there. And these are the knee-high socks are in here, little mittens, socks, a few more bibs, more socks. As you guys know, for Christmas I do like the onesie with the knee-high socks. So what? Oh, might as well show you the closet, right? Okay, so all the sandals. These are some of the sandals I did last year, and this is another one that I did last year. I'm trying to back up a little bit. Whoopsie. Okay, more ribbon shoes that I bling out and sell. And this is just stuff. Like, these are samples that I've done for Christmas. If I don't sell, I put them in these bags so they don't get dusty. Because a lot of times I'll make sandals and samples, and they will sell. But sometimes they don't, so I just save them. And I put everything in bags so it can stay brand new. Yep, so these are bins full of stuff, but I'll do another room tour and I'll show you that. All right, guys, so this was just a quick tour of my craft room, where I spend most of my time, where I work, and I actually get a break from everybody up here, so I need it. I'm a mom. This video, these are all ribbons for the barefoot sandals. So I will be getting more because summer is coming, but this is what I have. Look out for tutorials when I start making some of these for my shop. What else was I gonna say? Oops, I just messed this up. But anyways, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.